Hey guys, Realme X is arriving in China on May 15, and just a week ahead of its launch, a live image of the smartphone has been shared by the company's CMO Zuki Chase. As we can see in this photo, this phone looks bezel-less and notchless display. So Realme X is launching on May 15. Along with that phone, another phone, a lighter version of Realme X called Realme X Lite or Realme X Youth will be launching. So let us know the specification of these two phones. Realme X is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730, which is a new chipset coupled with 6GB of RAM. The internal storage provided is 128GB. The display is 6.5 inch, which is an AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution. This is great display which gives user the immersive display experience. There is a dual rear camera. Dual rear camera will have an 48MP primary lens plus and 5MP depth sensor. These and 16MP of pop-up camera which take great selfies. The battery is around 4100 mAh with 3.0 fast charging support, which comes with a 27 watt fast charging. The price of this phone will be kept around 20 to 25,000 Indian rupees, and in the international market this will cost around $350 to $400. The launch date is May 15. Along with this phone, there is another phone that is being launched by Realme. This is a lighter version of Realme X, which will be called as Realme X Lite or Realme X Youth. Realme X Youth is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 coupled with 6GB of RAM with an internal storage of 128GB. So Realme X Youth is a rebranded version of Realme 3 Pro, which is launched by Realme recently. So Realme 3 Pro was having a 16+5 dual rear camera, which is the same camera we can see in the Realme X Youth. Realme X Youth is coming with the same 25MP camera that we have seen in Realme 3 Pro. The battery is same of 4045 mAh with fast charging support. The price will be kept around the same 16,000 Indian rupees and $250 in the international market. So Realme X and Realme X Youth are launching on May 15. Let us see how this phone will create a buzz and how this phone will beat the market of Redmi or Xiaomi. So that's all about Realme X and Realme X Youth. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.